Well, welcome back to the channel. It's Monday, and just like last Monday, we have a window of light, high potential for some incredible light right at the end of the day. So we're up at the barn. I took a little bit longer coming up because I ended up sitting watching 5 or 10 voles just messing around under some tree roots. I'm noticing so many more voles this year. I don't know if it's a particularly good year for voles already. You can hear 2 cuckoos calling in the back. And as I was filming the voles, I got a text saying apparently they've seen a goshawk fly over the barn. I didn't see it. I've not looked at any photos yet, but that'd be pretty special. That'd be some sheep running on the side of this wall. Another tick for the barn, which would be cool. Right on the other side. Very distracting. But yeah, I'm excited. I feel good about today. I'm noticing so much wildlife at the moment. I don't know why I'm so tuned in this year compared to other years, but it's nice. Lots of lapwings in the field, lots of curlews, little owls out and about. But I've come up to the top side of the barn because recently it's been, without the fields being as densely vegetated this time of year, it comes up and it comes out, and it likes these back fields a bit more. So the plan is to have it fly directly towards me while I'm stood very still and in position, catching some cool backlit shots, and then hopefully, as it turns around and catches something and comes back to the barn, it'll be frontlit. So it's a good spot to be in. Plus, there's a few people up here today, so I'm trying to stay away from the people. I'm very much a loner. I prefer my own space up here, and this side gets me that. So I'm going to shut up now. I'm going to eat some food, drink my coffee, and wait and see what happens. Well, he's out. Nice and early again. Like, it's not properly kicked off yet, but he's been absolutely mobbed by lapwings and curlews. No wind, perfectly still. This is prime barno conditions. This is so good. The light is incredible. I just need him to fight towards me now. Big and curlews. Right across the sun, this horizon line is all sun now. Golden fields, midges making for some incredible bokeh in the sky. Barn owl's way at the bottom. Oh, he's so far away. He's practically down where the voles were, which is probably not a good spot, or probably not a bad spot to hunt. But if he comes straight up and round, which he might just do, I need to be ready. He's back out. Lose the sun. One last photo of him. Oh, look at this light. Tempted to move down. That's the play. If we can. This is definitely the play right now. Okay, I'm on a mission today to find tawny owls, and I know it's raining, but I've been feeling rough for the past 4 or 5 days. I feel good today. I don't just feel okay, I feel good. I'm still ready to be outside again, so I know it's raining, but it's okay. We'll survive. And although the camera might know it's pretty beat up, but I'll just wait for the rain to pass. And while it's raining, I'll find what I want to find. So we're all going to be okay. We're going to find something really cool, and I'm excited to show you. Okay, where I am right now is so cool. Look at this. It's a proper little local woodland, and as I'm walking around, I've heard a tawny owl calling way off to the right, and then I've heard a chick calling to my left. And now I'm sure that somewhere in here is a tawny owl chick. But for absolute no lack of effort, I can't see them. So I'm gonna stand here. I'm gonna listen, I'm gonna watch. I'm gonna hope that they call again. I'm gonna be patient, invest a bit of time, and could be seeing our first tawny owl of 2026. How cool would that be? Let's see. I've been studying now for 30 minutes and oh man, I start doubting everything. I definitely heard a tawny owl and I definitely heard a response, 100%. But the longer you stand here and you scan all the trees and you don't see what you're expecting, the more doubt that comes in and it's like, oh my god. But I know I heard them. I know I did. So I'm really trying to be patient and wait for another call. Just to at least prove myself right. The weather's turning a bit better now. I just need a little bit of luck. Oh, these owls are so hard to see. Tiny little fluff balls in a branch that blend in so well. Just one more call and I'll know. I did see a woodpecker nest as I was walking past, and all I can think about at the moment is just going back to find it, but I know I'm close to these tawnies. I know I'm close. So frustrating. The rain has turned into heather, so that's fine. I'm currently stood on the trying to get as much filter as I can. I don't know if you're going to hear me. I've not put my mic on. Oh man. Hopefully it passes soon. What's going on? What is this? It's British summer. British summer. Why that? I mean, it really is the worst conditions imaginable for trying to photograph tawny owls. Hail, for God's sake, hail. And my camera is not, I mean, I'm missing the shutter button. It's a little bit cracked on this side. If you're MVP looking at resale, don't watch this video. But, you know, this is falling off. I've finally got a hot shoe back on, which was really affecting it. But I mean, at the moment it's holding up well, and it did get wet, so happy with that. The photos we'll see. The video I think will be cool because it's such a heavy rain. It's only I was tucked beautifully under a tree quite far off, which is, you know, absolutely fine. Makes for dramatic landscape-y kind of scenic shots, which is cool, but it's flown off now. It's gone up and into this one, and we've been very distracted by a woodpecker, which has just gone in again into a nest, which is right where the tawny was, so that's kind of cool. But yeah, wild. I'm just gonna be content with that. I'm gonna stick it around for a little bit. I'm gonna walk back along this path, see if I can find the owlets, because it is brightening up again, which is very, very nice. So we got good weather again. We can dry off, we can calm down, and see if we can get some half decent shots of, there's the woodpecker calling, this incredible owl that has been an absolute nightmare for me for the last however long I've been trying to find him.